Hi, my name is Buck Bonner and I'm with MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia, located in Baldridge Marina. Right now I'm standing on the back of a 2020 250 SLX. This is one of the premier boats in Sea Ray's lineup. It is the luxury 25-foot bow rider. As you can see, I'm standing on the swim platform. It's hard to see right now, pushed up against the dock, but underneath you have an electric swim platform that'll extend out into the water. You have a nice big sun pad here that also has a flip up ratcheting backrest in case you want to have a little bit more shallow seating, or if you want to sit all the way back, you just plop that down and you have a little deeper seating. Coming through the transom walk through here, you have a built-in cooler, stereo control, freshwater gun, so everything you need here on the back of the boat to sit and entertain yourself while swimming on a hot day. As you move toward the interior of the boat, you can see that this 250 SLX has nice wraparound seating. You have storage compartments for your coolers underneath to keep your beverages cool during the day. This boat has the upgraded teak cockpit table, which is very nice. This boat also comes equipped with a upgraded Fusion stereo system, so this is going to have the upgraded cockpit speakers as well as your amp and subwoofer. Above us, you'll see that this boat does have a Watersports Tower, and it is an electric tower. You can push a button and this tower will cocoon over the cockpit, raise and lower. It's great for storing, or if you get caught out in a rainstorm, you can lower it down and keep everyone nice and dry until the storm passes. As we move forward, you'll notice that we have the stone interior, which is new for 2020. It's a very light gray. It's been one of the favorite colored interiors since its release. This boat also has the dual 12-inch Simrad units, glass dash, upgraded stereo Fusion head. This boat has a 6.2 350 horsepower engine, plenty of power for pulling skiers, getting across the lake. It's a very well performing boat. On the port side over here, you'll see our pump out head. As we move towards the bow of the 250 SLX, you can see that the blue LED cockpit lighting is continued throughout the entire boat. We have the leather wrapped stainless steel grab handles. This boat also comes equipped with the bow filler cushion, which would allow you to turn this entire bow seating area into a full sun pad. And then last but not least, a very nice feature on a 25-foot boat is the power windlass. So it's a push button anchor to raise and lower your anchor for tying up or beaching during the day. This is a beautiful 2020 250 SLX. You can come to Baldridge Marina. I'd love to show it to you. My name's Buck.